Hey guys, welcome to the video on graphing vocabulary. And I apologize if you know this already, but nice refresher because this will be really important this chapter. So we need to talk about x-axis, y-axis, quadrant, and origin. So do you guys know which axis is the x? It turns out that it is this horizontal one here. That's the x-axis. And the y-axis is this vertical one here that goes up and down. Okay, so the x is the horizontal one, the y is the vertical one. And the quadrants, they go in the order of the letter C. So see, quad means 4. So this is the first quadrant here. This is the second quadrant here. This is the third quadrant. And this is the fourth quadrant. Now, if you guys don't like Roman numerals, you don't have to use them. You could call this quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. But just know it always goes in the order of the letter C. And the origin is the point right in the middle where the x and y axis intersect. That's called the origin. Now, does anybody know the ordered pair of the origin? It's actually at 0, 0. Which is a nice segue into ordered pairs. So ordered pairs always come in the form x first, y second. And if you ever forget, it's just alphabetical. X comes before y in the alphabet. Now the x, the first number, that will tell you if you're going left or right. Okay, the x will tell you that. Left or right. If it's negative, you're going left. If it's positive, you're going right. Well, now let's talk about y. The y, the second number, that'll tell you if you're going up or down. Okay, so the second number tells you up or down. If it's positive, you're going up. If it's negative, you're going down. Kind of obvious, right? All right, so let's try to graph this ordered pair. -2, 4. Remember, the first one is the x, the second one is the y. Let's see. If the x is negative, we're going left 2. So I'm going to write down left. And if the y is positive 4, that means we're going up 4. So starting at the origin, starting at 0, 0, we're going to go left 2 and up 4. Left 2 and up 4. And then you make one dot. That is the point -2, 4. Okay? Let's try some more. Now, if you guys want to pause and try it yourself, go for it. But let's write these guys as ordered pairs. So letter A, and you always put a parenthesis with a comma for the ordered pair. So A, let's see, in the x direction from the center, we're going right 3, down 2. So right 3 would be positive 3, down 2 would be -2. All right, let's try B. Now, to get from the center to B, we're going left 2, up 1. So left 2 would be -2, and up 1 would be +1. All right, let's go to C. Now, to go from the origin to C, we're not going left or right at all. So 0, and then we're going up 2. So 0, +2. And then D, to get to D from the center, left 3, up 1, 2, 3, 4. So -3, 4. Just make sure you guys always remember go x first, y second. Okay, now the opposite. If I give you guys an ordered pair, can you plot that point and tell me what quadrant it's in? So -4, 4 from the center would be left 4, up 4. And then we're going to call that point A. Now, what quadrant is that in? Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's in quadrant 2 Or if you like Roman numerals, you can write it like that. I don't care either way. Okay, B is at 3 comma negative 2. So that would mean right 3 down 2. That's B. What quadrant is that in? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 or IV as Roman numerals. And last one, guys, you're doing great. C is at 0 comma negative 4. So 0 means nothing left or right, but then straight down 4. And we're going to call that C. Now this one's tricky because it's not actually in a quadrant. So when it's not in a quadrant, you can write what axis it's on. And this is on the Y axis. All right, that's it, guys. Next, you are going to do the practice on page 3, and then I will see you guys on Thursday, and we'll be able to answer any questions. All right, thanks a lot.